It will update the same row, right? If you updated any row.
Uh, that is fine, but when we display, these additional rows are coming, how to avoid this? If you see,
Additional row while you selecting the color of the template fill. So after that,
no, no. After applying color, we get to know that some additional thing is there.
yes, yes, yes.
Now I'll try to add one button. Okay.
Okay.
It's still adding outside only. See, see, you got it, sir.
Yes.
So where I made a mistake, I did not get what actually happened.
Can you create a fresh application and after that see the same thing, because it's caching issue, I think, and the blank row is creating.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will show you one more example for Dataverse, same like this. Okay.
Okay.
After that, you will try to new application and
Mm-mm.
only single gallery try it. Okay. And
Okay.
yeah, after that, this,
Okay.
yes, I will share my screen.
Yeah. Yeah. So, Bhaskar, do you have any update from another Bhaskar to?
Yeah, he's not joining today.
Okay,
That's why I
great
didn't
man. Yeah, no.
start.
Okay, recording is available. So we will start the Dataverse. So Dataverse table. First, we will create a Dataverse table. The table with name, employees reference is already having the table name. Click new table, employee detail. Okay, and here is the primary name, ID, employee ID. Save it. And now we will add the column, first name, last name, city, state and country. Same thing we will doing on the Excel. Update, read and create.
Azul,
Yes.
this data
Hello.
we add huge data and data columns like thousands of.
Use data. Yes, we will
Yeah,
add
yeah. As
add.
in actually collections, if you use collections,
Yes.
collection has a limitation, it cannot go further, right?
Yes,
So
right.
how about this? Data can be used.
Yeah, Dataverse used. You can use the Dataverse, and you can bind the Excel data also in the Dataverse. Okay, I will show you on after this complete this operation crude. Okay,
Uh,
new relation, not relationship details. Column. Dataverse is a no limitation of the data. Okay, you can put huge data, and you can insert from also import from the Excel. Okay, collection is a different thing. Collection, you can use the collection header and other and not type them manually. So Dataverse, you can import it data from the Excel. First name, last name, city and state. Country. Now we'll go back to the table and arrange the column of table. First name, last name, city, state, country, state, employee ID, save it. Arrange it, and arrange it. So we will add the data from Power. Now I will open one more Power Home and start from the creating blank application. Blank application with respect to the Dataverse table, and the name is employee detail app. Blank canvas app, create a app underscore employee details, create app. Today I will showing all data on a single screen, okay, and you manage uh, that particular application just like that yesterday lesson. Okay, I will just give the example and complete the lesson in single screen, not multiple. It take too much time, and
Okay.
yes, because this like similarly just yesterday lesson, but the Dataverse table is different. Okay, how to do that? First we will add the Dataverse table, add employees, Very slow. Detail. Rename this screen underscore uh, create, read and update, edit. Okay. Dataverse. And here insert one button. Button rename with add, and button border radius 20, button height is bigger, change color dark green, and put the text input 1 2 3 4 5, and the on the button property we will put this code. First of all, we will insert a 5 text input. Not label, text input. Insert text input 1, text input 2, text input 3, text input 4, text input 5. And put the code. Employees detail, the value set var next id value last employees dot employee id plus 1 patch employees employee details. Employees, okay, text input 1, employee ID, first name, last name, text input 1, text input 2, text input 3, 4, 5. Okay. First name, last name, city, state, country, and I will put a label from the top. Dataverse read add edit or read operation. Dirty, bold, white, label color. Okay. So now I will add some data. First name, Manoj Kumar Broha, U.P, UP, India. Add. See the data hours. I will add one more. Ram. Sorry. MP, India. Okay. So this is our data, and we change. You also put the reset button if you reset this. Reset button also. Yeah. Okay. You complete. Try to reset and one edit button. So now I will show you the one gallery. Four entries. John Wick, San Diego, Florida. USA. Anthony. Tom. Las Vegas, California, USA. Tom Hardy, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Now we'll put one edit and one gallery. Insert a gallery. On the gallery item property, we'll put this code employee details. Okay, and here we change the ID with first name and this item property will change the country. Put one more label of the top. Yes, here is the ID 123. Okay, so now how to edit this gallery? So we will add one more set of the text input. Hello, Madhu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you do this operation with tabs, multiple tabs? One tab having view gallery, second tab having add, one tab add, edit, read and view,
View.
read and write. Okay, so just same as a previous lesson, you follow that. Okay, and after that you created a single screen and use multiple container. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. Control C and Control V. And now we will change, rename this, not reorder. Edit. Six. 7, 8, 9, 10. Rename this edit button underscore edit, and gallery 1 is gallery 1. Not rename this. Add. Now we'll put this code same on the default property. We will put this gallery 1 dot selected first name, not on select, on the default property of the text input. Where is default? This one. Default property, remember that. Okay, on the default property we'll put the gallery 1 dot selected dot city, and here on the default not city, state. Country. Okay, and on the edit button we will put this code. Remove this text input 6, text input 7, text input 8, text input 9, text input 10. Edit 1, and here with the patch. Okay, gallery 1 first name, text input 6, 7, 8, employees detail. And insert one reset button. Okay, reset. What we'll do on the reset button, we'll do reset, reset, text input 1, colon text input 2 text input 3 text input 4 text input 5 text input 6. Okay, so plate, and now reset this. So here is reset all everything, and first of all we remove the default text, not tooltip, on the default. And select default. Okay, plate. Now if we add any other name, lorry, Swanson, city, Mexico. UAE. Add one. Lorry UAE, and reset it. Now you put another name, and if we edit the lorry, select this, you can edit Manish Sisodia, and the country is MH Mumbai, country is India. Edit this. Okay, Manish India on the 6th number, and here we'll update this. Okay, see this our chart, and this is update. When I updated this Anthony, replace on the Anthony name, Anthony with Kamal Hassan. Edit. Anthony with Kamal Hassan, and refresh it. Kamal Hassan and this one. So you can also the add a delete icon on this particular delete icon, trace. And on the on select property will put remove this item, this item this item comma employee detail. Set dot. Okay, we will recover after that. Okay, because I don't know about the code of delete, slip of my mind. Okay, so now how to add the Dataverse table on the Excel file. So this is our Dataverse table, and the first name, last name, city, state, country, and yesterday we created the one Excel file. So we'll import data from Excel. Edit data from Excel. Here is an advance. Export data, link as your import data. Yes. Madhu, hello.
Yes, sir.
Can you share your screen and create a simple Excel table in your OneDrive? Can you share your screen and I will, because my internet is not working properly, I think. So that's why.
I'm going to create a
Hello. Database, Power Platform, Azure, Online, other. Choose the data source, all category. Excel workbook.
You want me, Azam?
Yes.
You want me to add the data works or app? What do you want me to do?
I want to add the data from Excel. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So the connection is file path, link to and browse OneDrive. Okay. So we will put the OneDrive path of the Excel.
Data.
And you also simultaneously do that your environment because something not happening. OneDrive. First you create a table, a small table in Excel. Okay. This one I will share this chat on the chat. Uh,
Can't we directly upload?
no,
Azam,
not that.
can't we
First,
directly upload the Excel data
you have a
into
table, na? You have a table.
Azam?
Yes. Hello.
No, I'm just trying to directly uploading data.
No, not uploading. Actually, if you have a five column in this in your Dataverse table.
Uh, I don't have I don't have access to create table on Dataverse.
Okay.
Actually, I do not have access to create a table on Dataverse as of.
Why? You just go to the solution.
The thing is, I am not able to create the table. I seems I do not have a privilege to create a table on Dataverse.
Okay. You.
I need to process it with table.
Why are you?
I don't know how this app. I think access I don't have. It's not my personal environment.
Okay.
So
You.
maybe some
Hello.
different security rules.
Actually, you need to create a one more environment. That environment should be developer environment. You need to create a one more environment in your personal laptop, and environment should be developer environment. So can you do that?
What I have to do, Vasan? One more?
One more. This is your office environment.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you basically go to the admin center and create one more user over there with your name, and after that you, I think you.
Yeah, I understood what I have to do, but I don't think I need to check with team. I cannot create directly. Better to go with them.
Okay.
I also
Okay,
did
no
not
issue.
check. Now I realized it.
Okay, so can you stop sharing your screen
Okay,
and I will share. Do after.
I, you can share.
My screen is visible or not? Hello? Hello?
No, Azam, we cannot see.
Okay, one second.
No, Azam, I cannot see your screen.
Okay, I will share again. Actually, uh, this is too much hanging on my system. Now is visible or not? Hello?
No, still I cannot see.
Not
What about you, Bhaskar?
no. It's not visible.
Okay. Actually, my team's gone hang. So can I rejoin? Okay. One second. Yes. Now? Hello?
No.
No.
Okay. Can you rejoin the call? Both of you? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, I will hang on.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, I will share my screen, and if it is visible, please tell me.
Yeah, visible.
Yeah, we can see.
Okay. So this is our Excel, first name, last name, city, state, country. Okay, and also having the same things on our table: first name, last name, state, city, country. Okay, so on the Dataverse table, but we will create a new table, I think, because this table is not compatible for this, because employee ID with the replace the ID, it is not same column you created on your Excel and Dataverse as well. Okay, and now we will add, we will create a new table on the Dataverse. Go back here and simple table. The table name is my employee. Copy table. So you are not permitted how to the permission to create table in your environment, Madhu.
Yes, Arjun. I
Yeah,
think there is no environment was created.
if
It
you
is
don't have the solve this problem, so I will create a new developer account for 90 days. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. ID replace with this name with ID, primary column ID. Okay, because here is the ID first name, last name. So must the column Excel and data words must be should be similar. Okay, so that the data is relate the employees, my employees. Okay, save. Already added this name. Okay, now my table, save it. And create only two columns, first name and last name. Very simple, just we add only two data from the Excel. The first name, column name first, the last name. Because in model driven app we need to create a table on the Dataverse, so it is very important for us in the model driven app. Okay, you need to fix this that problem to allow the creating table on your environment, right, Madhu?
Yeah. I'm thinking of actually there is no the environment was created. Somehow default environment is coming. I just logged into admin center and one looking for a environment to add myself. If
Okay.
there is a way, but I don't know what has happened. Need to check. I'll
Yeah,
probably raise a
you
ticket
need
to
to check
Microsoft
if
and see.
you don't have the problem, solve the problem. So basically, we created a new ID, okay, with a tab.
Mhm,
So they Microsoft provide 90 days developer environment. E5,
mhm,
yeah, basically E3, E5 license, yeah, E2 license, I think. So
mhm.
that
I'll try
completely,
that.
this is my E2 license, so it is completely free for me, and it's working properly, no issue, and
Uh-huh.
it is
So
completed.
it's a U2 trial version.
No, this is not a trial version.
Mm-hmm.
This is a 90 days basically paid version. So
Uh-huh.
yeah, this is a paid version, developer version, but
Uh-huh.
it's working fine, no issue, because I created this environment before 6 months.
Still it is going on.
Yes,
How much you paid for this
How much for
environment,
this?
Danu?
800 rupees,
Excellent, sir.
800 rupees a one
Excellent.
time.
If you have a link and something where you have started browsing for Power Automate 90 days, just share with us. Definitely I'll get it quickly. Will not depend on organization one. I'll go with mine.
Yeah, Power Automate.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
one which you using right, the 90 days version. I'll
yeah,
use mine.
everything is there. Power Automate, Power Apps, and SharePoint also, and Excel. So this created this table, and on the table we go back to the table, and now we'll created a Excel file on OneDrive, same like this, new Excel workbook. Control V. ID 3, ID 4, ID 5, ID 6, ID 7, 8. Rocky. Insert a table. Okay, so this is our table, and rename this uh, workbook with this excel.xlx. Xlx is already my table.xlx. Okay, saved. And now on the top import import data, get basically on the get data, import data from Excel, import data. File Excel workbook, file path or URL, browse URL. Yes, my table, select this and click next. In this we created one table, select this table 1 and here is the table ABC and click next. Item table 1 kind equal to table data. Click next. Load to new, load to existing table and do not load. Load to existing table. Column mapping, please select the column. What we'll do, map column first name, ID and last name. Let's click replace current and click next. Type publish now. First name, last name is okay. Column name, unique primary name, column alternate key column auto generated and alternate key column none. Okay, click next. Manually refresh automatically frequently. Use manually failure selection of data Publish. Export data. My table was exported successfully. Click link below. Downloaded, and now we'll export it. See employee detail. My table. Data will be exported. So you can import and export the data from the Excel on the Dataverse table. Okay. This ID, which one? First name, ID, importance number, and third one is the column defined last name. My table ID, status code zone. So all table created through the jQuery data sources, and this is our column name, and you can create the Excel, maintain the Excel. Okay, so that's it about this lesson. So first of all, you will create your environment with allow the table. How to create a table? Hello.